and this is Seminyak Village in Seminyak Shopping Center area.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment Seminyak Shopping Center area. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment at shopping center area in Seminyak, just make sure watch the video until the end. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will show you how to like shopping center area in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. And actually our journey today start from Seminyak Village Mall, and I will walking until Kayu Aya Square. So it's gonna be long walking for today. But let me show you how busy in this area today. Wow, a lot of trees over there. It's good. It's quite busy, isn't it? Wow. Seminyak Village. Ooh, it's shocking me. Too many tourists around here. Looks so busy, isn't it? That's good. Wow, busy. So busy here. Okay guys, from this area, and I will make video until from Seminyak Village until Kayu Aya Square. Let me show you how busy in this area today. Sorry. You see across the street over there? Yeah, the trees over there. It's good. Looks so busy, isn't it? Seminyak Bali is getting more famous on Kayu Aya Street. Let me show you how busy a little bit around Seminyak Square. This is Seminyak Square. Wow, some loud music everywhere. The music so strong. Oh my goodness. Maybe I delete the sound. Also we have Watson. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow. Beautiful tattoo. Okay, from here I will walk around to backside. I love Bali, yeah.
Hello, speaking.
Yeah, some loud music here. Just very strong music. Oh my goodness. It's really, really strong music. I'm not sure it's gonna be copyright or not because the music was too strong. Now we are outside already, and let's keep continue walking on Kayu Aya Street until Kayu Aya Square over there. Wow, loud music, so loud. I hope you ever been this area, so this video will bring you back memories when you are ever been shopping in this area, because to have shopping in Seminyak on Kayu Aya Street also very recommended, but you have to have skill for bargaining. Bargaining skill important when you are in Bali. You know what they're selling? Let me show you what they're selling actually. Wow, fresh chips. Nice. See cross street, also a few trees over there. It's good. It looks so busy. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Seminyak shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Polo. And Kayu Aya Square just in front over there at the front, and they have flea market, and I already made video at flea market, so you can find video down this video. Seminyak Bali is getting famous. More tourists come and stay in this area. Let's across the street. Oof. The weather just super hot today. Yeah, it's Seminyak Square over there. Okay guys, so this is our journey today at Seminyak Shopping Center area. So what do you think? It's quite busy over there, isn't it? Around Seminyak Square and also Seminyak Village. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Seminyak Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new fashion in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.